What's up, guys? I am fucking going to make a video today. Bitcoin does not look good. Doesn't look good. Fuck what your favorite YouTube idiot. Not sorry. What your favorite Twitter perma bull says. Bitcoin does not look good at this moment. I'm going to review Bitcoin, and I will give you guys some options of what to do with Bitcoin. First things first, it's important to kind of see what I'm seeing in terms of these charts. So I am going to go over that first and foremost. I'm thinking if I should, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to use, I'm going to use this. This makes a lot more sense. All right. So here is two things that I want to get into. First thing is that these two lows, when you draw that trend line, now we are exposed to 3,000, which is pretty crazy. And if you go to the end of March, we are exposed to 1,300, 830. I mean, yeah, I know. Let's not talk about that. I don't want to like fucking make anyone think, but I am kind of still thinking that we can get 10,300. I don't know why, but I feel like we can still hit this area here, 10,300. This is the fib from the bottom. We basically went 618. I mean, if you go on the log scale, let's see on the log scale. On the log scale, we bang, we hit that, and now we have a big widening move down here. And doesn't look good at all. We should play around with some other trends potentially that could be bottoms. I think I don't really. All right, so get off the log for now. I should probably stick with the log, but I'm just gonna show why I'm doing this regular scale is because I'm looking at this thing like it's the end of a market cycle and the beginning of a new one. And this head and shoulders pattern has clearly failed. We broke the fucking tops of the shoulder, the inverse, and now we might get a bounce up. I mean, who knows? I was expecting maybe 10,500, but I don't know if we're gonna crack 5 digits anymore because the order book looks a little bit better than last night. Looks a bit better. It's still stacked. It's good. Yeah, I mean, it can get to 10 and then sell back down. I think we're gonna hold this level for now. To be honest, I'm going to hold off on selling any alts. I mean, sorry, I'm not in any alts. I'm going to hold off on selling any Bitcoin at this moment and try to build a short up here. And we broke the China FUD line, and the other line that I was looking at was this all-time high parabolic line. Some of you guys saw that I had drawn this before. where we kind of covered this whole thing, and we just wicked off it, bounced off that. That was the two. That was the parabolic line. So we were this other red line. So I have way too many lines here. I'm gonna have to delete some of these lines so you guys don't get so confused. Let me just clear up this chart for some of you guys. So this red line is from the top to this new top. This other yellow line is from the top to the second top of 17 to uh, this previous top that we broke, and now we're resting against it. So where we're at right now, there's a lot of confluence. You have, the fib from the whole move up to 786. You have this parabolic line above it, and then you have this down line. So it's all kind of resting in here. And we just got to see what happens if no more FUD comes out, if no more irrational selling comes out, dumping comes out. It's very important um, this area right now to hold itself. If this doesn't hold, I could see this thing just bleeding out sideways, eating at the order books, and coming down to potentially here 6,000, 7,000 area, um, or eventually just really going down to the shitter 5,000, 4,800 area. I've been calling this for a long time, and people have been saying, laughing, or saying I'm wrong. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But, you know, believe it or not, TA actually fucking works. I don't know how else you guys enter positions. What do you guys base it on? You just hear some news on a website, and then you decide, okay, now is a good time to buy it. Like, no, you need to know where you're gonna get into based on price action. Anyways, I don't want to get into that shit. I have my alerts set around here. 9,041. And yeah, that's basically what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this top channel holding the price up. This was China FUD. This line, this other yellow line here. I'm just gonna change this. I'm gonna change this to purple. So this channel is gonna be purple. And the yellow line is China FUD, and this will be downwards resistance from the all-time high. Yeah. So the red is the channel. This is the previous up channel that we held. If this breaks, it's gonna get really bad. And if this breaks and it lands here, I would see a bounce, and then I would if this bounces here and the price rejects this line, it'll go deeper probably. Um, that will not be good. The best case scenario, in my opinion, is that besides this just going straight back up, is that this thing falls down to this channel, breaks this channel, right? Lands here, right? And then moves back up and trades back within this purple channel. If it can just trade in this channel, once it breaks here and it goes like this is retarded. Like this is uh, unsustainable. This was a real kind of good sustainable growth until we broke out of it. So that's what I want to see. I want to see it continue in this channel and slowly move up there. But this is crypto. This is FOMO. This is a lot of bullshit. So I don't expect it to. And that's that. So refresh, draw these channels. Right now, support. I'm looking for a break of this, a retest of it. That resistance, short the fuck out of it, and I wouldn't close a short until it touched this line, or if it touched this line. So if you're looking to get out of your coins, I mean, your best case is this 11,000 if it hits that. I don't see how it could go up another 1800 from here. It's possible, but I don't think so. I'm leaning more on 10,500 to 10,200. That's where I would like to enter my short, but the way the price is not really moving, I'll show you on a lower time frame. Uh, So this is we hit the top of the channel and we just been boom sideways, drop, 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 sideways, drop, 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 sideways. Here we had a little bit of a range, but nothing really. This might just continue until it just fucking dumps. I showed you guys the parabolic curve up. This is looking like the parabolic curve down, where it drops, goes sideways, drops, goes sideways, drops, goes sideways, and then bang, drops again. So this thing does not fucking look good. We broke some good support here, 9,200. And follow through volume. Yeah, we're getting into these levels right now. I'll show you guys on the 3-day chart. Is there something else I want to show you on? Yeah, we bounced off the bottom of this cloud. And the top of the 3-day here is 10,315. Usually I like to see a test at the top of the cloud once, but I think we're going to pass through this cloud. And then if we go on the 1 week, um, fuck. Maybe a pass through this cloud as well. That would be pretty bad. Yeah, that would be pretty bad. I mean, at this point, I got to short it 10,000. So I'm just doing my TA while I am talking to you guys because I didn't really go balls to walls with a short. I probably should have, but I think we'll do that. I think I just gotta be patient with this one and try to see if I can get a short in a little bit higher. Let me hide these and just show some clear price action. So yeah, it's not looking. This is not tightening. The candles are getting bigger and bigger, and volume. You see how there's no here. The volume is really little. Once it gets here, it'll just break through here and cut through. And it might be a slow grind down. I'm not sure. It could be a slow grind down. Like who knows? But 2,500. That's the end of the month. April. April is 3,000. So you may see 3,000 Bitcoin beginning of April. A bounce off this cloud. It's really possible. So yeah, I mean decreasing buy volume is not good. And I don't think they're going to see an increase in buy volume right now with everything that's going on here. I don't see it, so I'm just going to look to short. I'm probably just gonna spread my short from 9,400 all the way up to 1,000. And if it goes higher, it's not a big deal. I'll add more to my short, but I really don't want to be left out of this short because I have been anticipating this for a while. However, I didn't play it as well as I should have played it. Yeah, that's pretty much Bitcoin. And as for the other coins, it doesn't really matter. They're all gonna go fucking down. I was looking at EOS. EOS is not looking good. Sexy. Yeah. Let's see. Bitcoin shorts are going. That's a request. Look at the 1 day. Bitcoin shorts popped out of the cloud. Bitcoin longs, I think, are about to get wrecked. I think Bitcoin longs are going to get wrecked. This thing could drop all the way as low as here. I'm actually going to set an alert for when it breaks. Yeah. So then I know, like, this is going to hit the all-time low. And that will probably be the end of it. Let's see. What else are we looking at? Let's look at the Dow Jones. This thing looks like it's about to fucking take a shit. All the markets look like they're gonna take a shit. Except for this fucking stock that everybody loves. Amazon. 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 All time high. Decreasing by volume. Big fucking gap. Yo, Amazon. If you ever wanted to pick up Amazon under $1,000, put your bid for $890. Because this thing, I think I think March and April is gonna get really fucked. Some of these markets. So, look at this divergence. With double top divergence. Oh my god. I'm gonna short the fuck out of this. I'm gonna short the fuck. I think this market is gonna get fucked. This one not as bad. Amazon is crazy with it. Okay, sorry, let me just get back. I'm kind of all over the place today. What did I want to do? ETH, ETC has found support on this line. I'll break it. ETH USD. I'm just looking for the potential 848. I don't know if we'll get it. We might get an 880, 788. I would short ETH around here. I'm gonna put this proper for you guys. So. Yeah, that green box is exactly where you want to short it. 780 and up, I would say ETH short. 780 and up. This thing could fucking get really fucked, actually. Um, Shorting ETH is very attractive. From an SEC perspective, I think ETH might get wrecked, to be honest. Fundamentally, gaps. Look at that gap. There's a gap at $110. It's, oh my god. That's a gap. Yeah, ETH could get really wrecked. Sorry, I'm just in a train of thought right now. I'm thinking I never really considered how fucking wrecked ETH could get, especially with the SEC and all these other fundamental things going on with it. ETH is a really good short, actually. This is the trend line from back then. It's $31. I don't know, man. ETH, Ethereum. A lot of Ethereum's demand is from the ICOs and the way the SEC is going after these ICOs. Where the network is congested or whatnot. This might be a double bottom for a nice bounce, a little bit higher. I don't know. I really don't know. But ETH is actually something that I wasn't really looking to short, but I think now I will short. I was looking to short IOTA for whatever reason. I'm looking at it 4 hours. Yeah, I wanted to short this shit last night at 50. I didn't do it. And it's just. Let me show you guys something. I've showed this to you guys before. Should have done this at the beginning of the video. Maybe I'll reset this video. Okay. So you have this base, then boom, it shoots up. And I think we might be doing this, but flipping it upside down. With the way this chart is going, base. One more base, and then this base here, and then once that breaks, it's gonna be pretty fucking nasty. I think a lot of these charts are following the same kind of LTC. This was my buy zone 160 right here, but I have this also at $94. If you want to short this, it's up to you where you want to short this. You go 188.93 and spread your bet all the way up to 195. Will you get hit? I'm not sure. You can just spread your short up here. 195, 188, 188, 187, 183 is where you want to short it. Neo USD. This one I think is going to get fucked as well. This thing was overpriced. Massively overpriced and structurally. Basically, it's all these charts that are really expensive are, to me, they're all going through this right now. And we're about to hit here. So when I say like this, you have to imagine this top, return to normal, now fear. Oh, why is it under 100? Why did it go under $100? And there's all these ICOs I was going to invest in. Blah blah blah. Bang, $30. You know, I'm going to set an alarm here. What I like to do is I like to set alerts, across all these fucking coins at these really low key levels that I think might be the bottom. And when they start going off one after another, after another, at the same time, you know that's the time to buy because they're all correcting. The way the bots work, they will all correct themselves. Market's not looking good. This looks like it's rejecting this top line. What else did I want to show you guys to possibly short? Monero, I wouldn't short Monero. There's a 4 coming up. Um, one coin that you guys might want to short is EOS. Ethereum is the better short for fundamental reasons. Where's that shit coin? There you are. XRP. Either it's gonna make a next wave, I don't know, or it is going to bleed itself out back to 19 cents. So I'm gonna put the alert there for 19 cents. So you're looking at a 4-to-1 from here on XRP. You are looking at fucking Ethereum. Is Ethereum gonna be the fucking disaster? Ethereum, you're looking to maybe a 7-to-1, maybe even lower. Ooh. 63. 40. So Ethereum, you have 10-to-1, more or less. I can't believe it. I'm even putting that target. I can't believe I'm using that target. But hey, if Bitcoin is going down, these are going down too. I mean, this will be strong. 413, 400. This area I expect to hold, but I expect this area to hit at 5K. This is where I'm expecting the price to hit at 5,000. And this would probably be I don't know, 3K, 1K Bitcoin, something crazy like that. But this thing looks like it's gonna do a new market cycle. It could also do 485. Here's that. Yeah, I think this will find support up here, and if on a good scenario, it will trend upwards. do a newer high. But this to me looks like, you know, 2, 3, and then right now everyone thought this was an ABC, but it could potentially be a, get my even one, two, move down here. 4, 5. But yeah, this is a crazy target, but I'm more comfortable with this target here. The 2-to-1 risk ratio. I would scale from 782. I think will be a top. Sorry for this really disorganized video. I just sometimes I want to do the TA as I go, but I'm starting to think that it's always better and more beneficial for you guys if I do my own TA and then I make a video afterwards. So yeah, 9,800 you can get out of. Let's see, 9,200 area. This basically from here on out. From 9,800 and up, I would. From 9,890 and up, I would build shorts. And I would think top would be 11,000 maximum. But what I wanted to show everyone was wave pattern. So when we came up, we did this wave. Boom, 5 waves. Now, but now it looks like a perfect reverse 5 wave setup. And I have 3K, or even maybe 1K. That's the target. It fucking fits this channel by the end of the month. That's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing this perfect setup for a reverse 5 wave and potentially breaking this cloud. Yeah, this is pretty intense. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Sorry for the format. Wasn't as it's a little sloppy format today. However, hope you guys took notes, and I'm pretty much looking for a 50% drop across the board on all these coins. And I think altcoins are going to get wrecked. So if you're holding altcoins, you might not want to. There is some Tether FUD that's probably going to start coming out while this goes on, so that the order books aren't stacked with sells. But we'll see. So you guys have a good day, and like, subscribe, join the Telegram group, join the Facebook group, If you want to stay up to date with these changes, join the Telegram group. I'll put a link for it before. It was an ICO group before, but I'm probably just going to rebrand it into just a free trading room. We still have the mastermind for people. It's a paid membership to our mastermind club where we share a lot of paid newsletters and courses and basically things that you would pay a lot of money for all over the internet to collect them all. We give them all to you in one spot. So it's kind of like a crypto torrent club. And that's it, guys. Thanks a lot. Take care. Hope you guys make money, protect your capital, and buy the dip.